Good day everyone. I am Kevin N. Midiha. I am 31 years old. First year student of Bachelor of Science in Electronics and Communication Engineering. This is not my first degree. So the question is what specific challenge or issue that you have encountered as a new student, and describe how it affects you. I have already seen the video, and with regards to my case, it doesn't fall under those categories, so I decided to create my challenge. So my challenge is balancing my academic and my work. My struggle is that I have to manage well my time. What's the issue and rules and responsibilities that was affected? For me, I am a working student, so the rules and responsibilities that has been affected is being presently available and being on time. And since that I am a working student, my struggle is that sometimes I cannot be presently available, and sometimes I am late, and of course it would affect my grades, since there are times that our professor would conduct quizzes or examinations. What 21st century skills will help you manage, overcome such challenge? For me, the 21st century skills that will help me manage or overcome my challenge is that is the soft skill. Under the soft skills, we have communication, critical thinking, teamwork, and emotional intelligence. So I think that constant communication with your classmates and professors will help me pass on the exams, as well as help me develop and satisfy the requirements of my professors. What possibly happen once you manage such challenge issue? If I could balance my academic and work, probably I could finish my studies here in Caraga State University and have a degree of Bachelor of Science in Electronics and Communication Engineering. That's all. Thank you.